Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Pirate Ship with your Shopify store to save on shipping costs. First of all, start by going to pirateship.com and signing up for a free account. Pirate Ship offers discounted USPS shipping rates. Then log into your Shopify account, go to the Shopify search bar and write PIRATE pirate. Then you can see here the apps is appear here. Then click the app, scroll down and install. Again click install. Then once connected, Pirate Ship will automatically import your Shopify orders. You can then choose the shipping options by labels and print them. After processing the labels, Pirate Ship will automatically send the tracking numbers back to Shopify, keeping your customers updated. And that's it. Now you are ready to ship efficiently with Pirate Ship and Shopify. Thanks for watching.